Hey everyone, welcome back to Wellnessity. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects us all: stress. You might be experiencing stress without even realizing it, and it's slowly taking a toll on your health. Stick around as we reveal 11 silent stress signs that could be harming you, and how to manage them. Let's get started. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but its silent signs can take a toll on your health if left unnoticed. Recognizing these subtle indicators is crucial for preventing long-term damage. Chronic stress can lead to serious health issues like heart disease, depression, and a weakened immune system. By identifying these signs early, you can take proactive steps to manage stress effectively. Stay tuned as we uncover 11 silent stress signs that might be slowly harming you. Silent stress signs: frequent headaches. Explain how stress can cause tension headaches or migraines. Digestive issues. Discuss symptoms like stomachaches, diarrhea, or constipation linked to stress. Chronic fatigue. Talk about how constant stress can drain energy and lead to persistent tiredness. Insomnia. Describe how stress can interfere with sleep patterns, making it hard to fall or stay asleep. Muscle tension and pain. Explain how stress can cause muscle tension, especially in the neck, shoulders, and back. Frequent colds or infections. Mention how stress weakens the immune system, making one more susceptible to illnesses. Appetite changes. Discuss how stress can lead to overeating or loss of appetite. Anxiety and restlessness. Describe how stress can manifest as constant worry, anxiety, or feeling restless. Difficulty concentrating. Explain how stress can impair cognitive functions, making it hard to focus or remember things. Mood swings and irritability. Discuss how stress can cause sudden changes in mood or increased irritability. Decreased libido. Mention how stress can affect hormones and decrease sexual desire. Conclusions. Summarize the key points. Emphasize the importance of recognizing these signs and seeking help if needed. Encourage viewers to take proactive steps to manage stress. Tips for managing stress. Consider adding a section with practical tips for managing stress. Regular exercise, mindfulness and meditation, healthy eating, adequate sleep, seeking professional help if necessary. Call to action for managing stress in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you like video, please like and subscribe for more updated videos.